has been set for the prime suspect in the death and disappearance of a 13-year-old girl. Madeline Soto was found dead in a wooded area in St. Cloud. Stephan Sterns has not been charged in her death, but will stand trial in May for dozens of child sex charges. Channel 9's Daryl Matthews has covered every development in this story. And Daryl, Sterns is due back in court next month.
Yeah, Martha, April 2nd, to be exact, will be his arraignment date, April 24th, pre-trial, and the trial May 13th. And now, the state attorney's office tells me that those are set arraignment dates unless they're waived. And in this case, Sterns did waive that date, and those were the next court dates picked by the court system. He's sitting in a jail cell right now, and if convicted of child sex crimes he's accused of, Stephan Sterns could spend the rest of his life in prison, regardless of what happens in the investigation into the death of 13-year-old Madeline Soto.
I don't think this case is going to go, and if the murder charges are added, you're going to be a year and a half, 2 years away before this case comes to trial.
Stephan Sterns, the prime suspect in the disappearance of Madeline Soto, is the boyfriend of Soto's mother. He was the last person seen with a 13-year-old. In May, he'll stand trial not for her disappearance, but rather dozens of sex crimes.
If the defense is not ready for trial, which I don't think they will be, at that trial date, they're going to move to continue to give them more time to examine the evidence.
So far, investigators have examined enough for the state's attorney's office to charge Sterns with 60 counts of sexual battery on a child under 12 and lewd or lascivious molestation. Sterns has not been charged in Maddie's death, as law enforcement continues to investigate and has yet to charge anyone.
They're waiting for all of the evidence to come in so they can carefully look at it, analyze it, and make an informed decision as to the murder charge.
Now, former Chief Judge Belvin Perry presided over the Casey Anthony case. He says right now he's commending law enforcement for taking their time to go through evidence and DNA to find out how Maddie died, taking out anyone who's not involved in her murder, and holding the person responsible without making any mistakes. We're live in Orlando. Daryl Matthews, Channel 9 Eyewitness.